Does your Halloween decor ever feel like it's missing that one special piece that makes your home feel festive without looking over the top? These adorable light-up ghost decorations completely solve that for me. And stick around because I'll show you exactly how to put them together and the finished look at the end. One thing I always appreciate is when Halloween decorations are easy to assemble. I don't want to spend an hour trying to figure out where every piece goes. When these arrived, the white fabric had a few wrinkles from being packaged, which is completely normal. I tossed the fabric covers into the dryer for just a few minutes on a low setting, and that took most of the wrinkles right out. It made a huge difference in how polished they looked. Now let's put them together. First, assemble the base and insert the support pole. It only takes a minute or two and everything fits together easily. Next, slide the white ghost fabric over the frame. Once it's draped into place, it starts looking like the cutest little ghost. Then place the witch hat on top. That instantly gives it that fun Halloween personality. Each ghost is about 27.5 inches tall, so they're the perfect size for a dining table, mantel, entryway table, shelf, coffee table, or kitchen counter without taking over the entire space. These come as a set of 2, so you can display them together or separate them throughout your home. They are designed to light up with warm lights powered by 2 AA batteries each. I do want to be transparent about my experience. Unfortunately, one string of lights in the set I received didn't work, so I wasn't able to demonstrate the lights on one ghost. Everything else arrived in great condition and assembled easily, but I always like to share both the positives and any issues I experience so you can make an informed decision. Even without the lights, I still think they're absolutely adorable. The flowing white fabric, the classic witch hats, and their height make them such fun statement pieces. They instantly made my Halloween decorations feel more complete and gave my entryway a festive, welcoming look. They're also lightweight enough that moving them from room to room is simple if you like changing up your decor throughout the season. If you're worried they'll be difficult to keep standing, I found the bases to be stable once everything was assembled. These would be perfect for mantels, dining tables, entryway tables, coffee tables, shelves, offices, classrooms, Halloween parties, haunted house displays. Sometimes it's those little seasonal touches that make your home feel warm, festive, and inviting. And these definitely brought that fun Halloween feeling into my house. If you're looking for cute Halloween decorations that are easy to assemble, easy to move around, and make a fun statement in your home, these are definitely worth taking a look at. If I can make one thing easier in your Halloween decorating this year, let it be finding decorations that come together quickly and instantly make your space feel festive. Check these out today. I think they'll add the perfect spooky touch to your home.